In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Xero journals. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, which file to use, and what to check so your journals land in Xero cleanly and balanced. Before we begin, make sure you're logged in to the correct organization and that you have permission to create or import journals. It's also a good idea to confirm your chart of accounts is set up, since the import relies on the account codes already in Xero. Start on your Xero dashboard and open the accounting menu in the main navigation. This is your hub for core financial tools. From there, head into manual journals. This area is where Xero stores single journals you create yourself, and it's also where you'll find the option to bring in a batch using a file. Perfect if you're moving data from a spreadsheet or another system. Next, choose Import. You'll see the import page with guidance and a link to the official template. Using Xero's template is important because the column names and structure must match exactly for the data to validate. Download the template file and edit it in your spreadsheet tool of choice. Enter a clear narration for the journal, add the date in the correct format for your region, and use valid account codes from your Xero chart. For each journal, make sure the total debits equal total credits. If your organization uses tracking categories or tax types, populate those fields consistently with what exists in Xero. Keep your data clean. Avoid extra spaces, merged cells, or hidden rows. Remove any example lines, don't rename the header columns, and when you're done, save the file as a CSV. If you're exporting from a cloud spreadsheet, explicitly download it as a CSV to preserve the correct formatting. Back on the import page, click Browse and select the edited CSV from your computer. Double check you've picked the most recent version and that the file isn't open elsewhere, as some programs can lock a file and cause upload issues. Finally, click Import. Xero will validate the file and flag anything that doesn't line up, such as missing account codes, unrecognized tax types, or journals that don't balance. If you see errors, return to your CSV, correct the affected rows, save, and import again. When the validation succeeds, your journals will be created in Xero, typically as drafts, so you can review the details and confirm they're correct before posting. That's it. You opened accounting, went to manual journals, used the import option, edited the official template carefully, selected your CSV, and ran the import. Follow these tips each time, and your journal imports will be accurate, auditable, and fast.